Hi. Let's talk about
Kill your heartburn through acid reflux diet. Acid reflux, another term for heartburn, is a disease which is created by a simple imbalance of chemical makeup in the body, the attack of acid reflux in the esophagus when it is supposed to be in the stomach only. The fact that acid reflux, the acid indigestion, affects not just adults but also infants and children, makes it essential for everyone to be aware of its symptoms and how it can be prevented. Since the acid reflux is triggered by various foods like chocolate, citrus fruits, spicy foods, including fried and fatty foods, together with the time of day the foods are eaten and overeating which causes excessive weight. Therefore, the key to avoid the heartburning uneasiness brought by the acid reflux also lies on the foods and managed diet. Truth and studies show that a specific food can head out acid reflux, so it is vital that everyone must take a careful observation of their eating habits. Nevertheless, any person who is suffering from acid reflux needs a diet that would suit to treat the illness, the foods that should be taken and those which should not be. Now, you might be wondering what could be the best diet to observe to avoid acid reflux, the heartburn-free recipes that are fitted to an acid reflux diet. It was distinguished that drinking milk can be a speedy cure to alleviate acid reflux trouble. Although, milk produces an action and encourages discharge of more stomach acid, causing then acid reflux. So, people affected by heartburn should follow a diet wherein they eat a small meal during dinner and follow it up with a small snack before they go to sleep, crackers for instance. Likewise, they should make sure that their meal are rich in complex carbohydrates. This includes breads, rice and pasta. This fixes the excessive acid in the stomach, hence, giving it an easy feeling. Chew your foods well, do not rush on eating, 20 minutes for each meal will do. Extract all the nourishment that you can get in your food. Along with the diet, it is also advisable to keep yourself in a straight position during and after eating, for at least 45 minutes. Remove from your diet high-fat foods. This will tend to stay in the stomach longer. With this, the stomach will be forced to produce more acids for digestion. In addition, avoid eating large meals. This will also stimulate the stomach to produce more acids to digest them. One of the medical specialist's recommendations is to add more plant protein in your diet, like beans and lentils. In this process the animal protein that you have taken will be replaced. Also, try to observe in your diet the time you spend for eating, the amount of your meal, your relaxation when you eat, and how thorough you chew your food. It is advisable that you take several small meals in a day, then you take large meals regularly, for instance 6 small meals a day will do than having 3 large ones. The procedure is simply breaking up the meal. If you want additional information regarding proper diet to battle acid reflux, you can visit a nutrition-oriented healthcare practitioner like a dietitian, naturopathic physician, or a nutritionist. They can give you accurate dietary schemes that will fit your private health needs and objectives.
For more information, please click my link in the description. Thanks.